Welcome back, viewers. We have some more breaking updates coming in at the start. Supreme Court has now initiated a suo motu contempt of court proceedings against Prashant Bhushan and Twitter over his anti-Supreme Court tweets. In fact, the Supreme Court is all set to take up the matter of hearing tomorrow. This is in regard to some recent tweets made by Prashant Bhushan against the judiciary. Let's go across to my colleague Nalini, who has more details on this. Nalini, if you can also give us a background of what tweets is the Supreme Court talking about and how important will this hearing tomorrow for Prashant Bhushan as well?
Well, Richard, it's very important, but before we get into exactly why the Supreme Court has taken suo motu initiative to initiate contempt proceedings against Prashant Bhushan, let me just tell you that this is not a new matter to come before the Supreme Court. Prashant Bhushan has been in trouble this year multiple times before the Supreme Court, where he has been pulled up for putting out certain tweets against the senior members of the higher judiciary. The judges of the Supreme Court, he's been putting out tweets against them, criticizing them, and he has been pulled up by the Supreme Court. There was a PIL that was also filed asking for contempt proceedings to be initiated against Prashant Bhushan, but at that time the Supreme Court had let it go with a simple apology from his side. But now suo motu contempt proceedings have been initiated, which means that the Supreme Court has decided on its own accord to go forth and initiate contempt proceedings not only against Prashant Bhushan but also against Twitter India. This of course is in relation to the tweets that have been put forth by Prashant Bhushan criticizing the members of the Supreme Court judiciary. It's a very serious step for the Supreme Court to take against a practicing advocate, especially considering Prashant Bhushan has been down this road with the Supreme Court before. So tomorrow is going to be an extremely crucial day for him. We're given to understand that senior advocate Dushyant Dave is going to be representing Prashant Bhushan tomorrow before the Supreme Court. It's going to be a very crucial hearing because the repercussions of this, in case the Supreme Court decides that contempt against Prashant Bhushan is valid in this case, could mean very bad news for Prashant Bhushan.
But of course, this means bad news for Prashant Bhushan already. The fact that he will have to go through the hearing on the contempt proceedings now and prove before the Supreme Court.
The hearing on the contempt proceedings now and prove before the Supreme Court why any of his actions in his previous tweets that he has put up should not be liable for contempt of court.
In fact, Nalini, another question to you. Both Prashant Bhushan as well as Twitter have, in fact, been initiated the suo motu contempt proceedings against. So are we also expecting some kind of response coming in from Twitter as well? Because certainly these are tweets that were put up against the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court themselves initiating this contempt proceedings?
Well, Richard, the main reason for Twitter being made a party to these contempt proceedings and for contempt proceedings to be initiated against Twitter as well is because Twitter has mainly been the publishing platform for the tweets that Prashant Bhushan has put out. So although Prashant Bhushan himself has been the author of the tweets, the publishing platform has been Twitter, which is why it makes sense to make both the parties liable when you're initiating contempt proceedings and when you're talking about contempt against the higher judiciary members of the Supreme Court. So Prashant Bhushan, for his recent tweets, that is essentially why these contempt proceedings have been initiated. Now we're given to understand there are three main tweets that the Supreme Court has pulled up, due to which they have decided to go ahead with this big step in initiate contempt proceedings against them. We're still not putting out details of those tweets because the hearing is scheduled for tomorrow. So we'll first wait for the Supreme Court hearing to happen on that particular issue, because these tweets do not need to be publicized right now, considering the fact that the matter is sub judice essentially now before the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court's looking into a matter of contempt, which essentially means that Prashant Bhushan through his tweets has made baseless allegations rather against the Supreme Court judges, which of course is a very serious matter, and making these allegations against the sitting Supreme Court judge of course it attracts contempt. So we'll have to wait and see exactly how the hearing proceeds tomorrow, what Prashant Bhushan's defense is going to be, and exactly what reasons the Supreme Court gives out for taking this huge step against him.
All right, thank you so much, Nalini, for getting us that update. We'll wait for that court proceeding tomorrow to see what really Prashant Bhushan has to say.